Hey friends, if you wish to fix blurry text and fonts in Windows, then please watch this video. Now let me show you. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to system, go to display and make sure that the scaling, okay, let me show you. Scaling is selected at the recommended value, whatever it is different for different computers, and so is the display resolution, because the scaling part is very important, and this is the reason behind 90% of the problems. And then you can go to text size and make sure that the text size is also the default one, which is 100%. Okay, and then you can go to system and display once again, and then make sure that the display orientation is landscape, although portrait is good enough, but if you are facing the problem, then select landscape as the default resolution, I mean default orientation. Then go to advanced settings, and there's an option here which says automatically manage color for apps. Select this one. Okay, and then you can try one more thing. Go to personalization and select a good theme. Don't select one of those themes that are installed by third-party software products, but select a Windows theme, simply because you're facing this issue. Now if you selected the wrong theme, it will override all of the display settings. That's why we select the right theme, only Windows themes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.